Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel!
This is going to be long conference and also we still on the Indonesian game. So at least we have a chance to challenge for different systems. I want to challenge for doing a game, not only doing a practice. Because also that's what we've been practice also. So chapter 1 is very good, fighting spirits under the end, even like past 25-9. That's what we need to also run from them.
Thank you, Coach. And for ID, 15 points in this game against Capital One. Anong third set nga na-spinning yung laban? And yung first two sets, na-dominate yung talaga yung Capital One. So siguro personally, ano lang yung naging motivation mo for this game?
Siguro ako po, yung naging motivation ko po is, syempre yung teammates ko po. And yung sina-coach, ganyan. Kasi po, parang yun nga po, may mga ni-injured po sa amin na teammates, ganyan. So parang kami-kami na lang din po yung nandito. Kaya parang every game po, lagi po namin gusto magmanati.
Thank you. That's all the questions.
Ayun, Ivy, ano lang yung nakikita yung tama yung ginagawa nito kahit kulang kayo, kaya back-to-back wins kayo?
Siguro po, yung pagtutulungan po namin sa isa't isa and yung talaga tiyaga namin and pasensya po. Inabaan po talaga ngayon kasi wala na po kaming ibang choice. So, hindi po gawin po yung mga sinasabi ni Coach.
For ID, yun nga, medyo mas nagiging kompleto na kayo in terms of yung roster. So siguro at this point na medyo patuloy na tayo, gano'n kalaga lang na mas maging full force kayo para makaangat pa na makaangat before the qualifying.
Siguro po, lagi naman po namin sinasabi na trabaho pa din po. Sunod kami lagi sa game plan ni Coach Taka. And siguro, tuloy-tuloy lang po namin yung pagbuo po ng culture ng team. Kaya siguro din po, mas maganda yung ginagalaw po ngayon.
And for Coach, compared to how you ended 2024, are you much happier now with the way Akari began 2025 or it's still a bit rough for you?
I mean, still same po. At least we handle the super young player, but they have also a lot of potential. I mean, when you lose it doesn't matter. What I'm explaining, like we also need to learn from the chapter 1, but we're showing to the fighting spirit. Because sometimes also we're missing. Like even we were not the champion team, just last conference went to the championship, but sometimes like the acting is like looks like a champion team. So we just need to more be humble and to be focus on our improvement.
Can you take us back to the third set? May mas advantage ba yung parang may mas experience inside the court compared sa very young team na Capital One, or same pa rin natin yung experience when it comes to late stretches ng game na nakakitain?
Siguro po, may factor po. Pero more on dun po sa kagustuhan kong manalo ng third set. And yun, yung fighting spirit po talaga. Kasi parang lagi po sinasabi sa amin ni Coach na hindi po palaging bata